it's quite a bit of material, yeah, in the proper places. But anyway, mainly a lot of that material comes from these walls right here. Not the floor, not the roof, not the long side radius, not the short side radius. Mainly on the walls.
All right.
So anyway.
You want to blow it away?
I'm going to shape the floor and the roof. It's only a blend though. It's just, you know, blending everything in. But the majority of the material is, like I said, the walls, and of course the boss and the pocket. You know.
All right.